Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the semester second. Now you are in the semester 2. So in chemistry there are two papers in second semester. First paper is the organic chemistry that will take Dr. Jogi sir, and the next paper is the physical chemistry that I will take the physical chemistry paper. Now I have already shared the syllabus of physical chemistry in the Google Classroom. मैंने ऑलरेडी आप लोगों को फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री का पूरा सेमेस्टर 2 का केमिस्ट्री का सिलेबस भेजा है गूगल क्लासरूम पे. सो आई होप आप लोगों ने वो देखा होगा और उसके जो भी पार्ट्स है, जो यूनिट्स है, जो भी टॉपिक है, जो भी कंटेंट है उसमें दैट यू हैव टू स्टडी इन दिस सेमेस्टर 2 और इन द फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री. So I will take the unit gaseous state. You can see in the syllabus of physical chemistry one unit is there, that is the gaseous state. Now why I am taking this gaseous state unit? Because most of the students they face difficulties in the physical chemistry paper. बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स को फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री के पेपर में डिफिकल्टी जाती है बिकॉज ऑफ द डेरिवेशंस and equation and numerical problems and so on. So this gaseous state, this unit or this part is very easy to understand. So therefore I am taking this gaseous state unit at first. Now gaseous state. So all of you know matter exists in the three different states. So what are the three different states? First is the solid, another is liquid, and then gaseous. So these three important states are there that the matter exists in three different states: solid, liquid and gaseous. Now what is the difference in between this solid, liquid and gaseous? So difference is that the interatomic separation is there. What is the interatomic or interionic separation is there in between the molecules of solid, liquid and gaseous. So what is the difference in case of solid molecules or in case of solid state? What happen? The molecules are closely attached to each other. Okay, पत्थर देखा है आपने. So solid state में क्या होता है? हर एक मॉलिक्यूल एक दूसरे को क्लोजली अटैच होता है. The molecules are arranged in a close packed structure. Means they cannot move in the crystal lattice. They only arrange in a close packed structure. That will be the solid state. Now in case of liquid state, the molecule just touches each other. एक मॉलिक्यूल दूसरे मॉलिक्यूल को सिर्फ टच करता है और दूसरी तरफ जाता है. Means here the molecules are moving in the wall of container. In case of liquid state, the molecules are always moving. और मूव करते समय अगर एक दूसरे के सामने आ भी गए वो molecules, so they cannot arrange in a close packed structure. They just touches each other and they again moving and moving. This is the liquid state. Now in case of gaseous state, what happen in case of gaseous state? The molecules are moved in a very free manner. एक मॉलिक्यूल यहाँ पे है, एक मॉलिक्यूल दूसरी तरफ है, एक मॉलिक्यूल तीसरी तरफ है. मतलब इन केस ऑफ गैसियस स्टेट द मॉलिक्यूल्स आर मूविंग इन अ रैंडम मोशन. रैंडमली ये मॉलिक्यूल घूमते हैं और एक दूसरे से दूर रहते हैं. द मॉलिक्यूल्स आर वेरी फार अवे फ्रॉम ईच अदर एंड दे आर मूविंग रैंडमली एंड विद द हाई स्पीड, विद द हाई वेलोसिटी. So this part, that is gaseous state, it is involved in your unit of physical chemistry. Now what is the criteria in case of gaseous state, or what are the theories related to this gaseous state, or what are the different gas laws are there in case of this gaseous state, that we will see further and further. So here in case of gaseous state, three important parameters are there which are very important, that is pressure, volume and temperature. These three important parameters are there, and these three important parameters are very useful in case of gaseous state. In every derivation, in every equation, in every theory involved in the gaseous state, that is pressure, volume and temperature. So these pressure, volume and temperature, these are the important parameters which are involved in the gaseous states, or while studying the gaseous states, these three parameters are very important. Now what happened here? Some theories are there which are related to the gaseous state. Now one theory is mentioned in your syllabus, that is kinetic theory of gases. So this kinetic theory of gases, this theory can be introduced to explain the behavior of the gases, behavior of gaseous state. जो भी gaseous state में molecules का जो भी behavior है, that behavior is explained in this kinetic theory of gases. So in this kinetic theory of gases, some assumptions or some postulates are there. इसमें कुछ 5-6 postulates हैं जो हमको पढ़ने हैं यहाँ पे. So in these postulates, what is the behavior of the molecules, total behavior of the molecules in the gaseous states, that is involved in these assumptions of kinetic theory of gases. Now what is the first assumption? See here, the molecule of a given gas are identical and have a same mass. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? Molecule. So what is this? Molecule. So this, the gas consists of extremely small and discrete particle. क्या है? Gas consists of extremely small and discrete particle, that is known as molecule. And that molecule of given gas are identical and same mass. जितने भी molecules हैं gaseous state में, हर एक molecules जो gas में present है, that all molecules are having identical and same mass. उसका mass identical और same होता है. So what is the first postulate? The gas consists of extremely small and discrete particle. That small and discrete particle, it is known as molecule, and that molecule of a given gas are identical and same mass. Now the second postulate is the actual volume of the molecule is negligible as compared to the total volume of the gas. इसका मतलब यह है, जब हम लोग गैस मॉलिक्यूल का उसका टोटल वॉल्यूम कंसीडर करते हैं, व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू कंसीडर द टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ द गैस, उसके कंपैरिजन में द एक्चुअल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल, एक सिंगल मॉलिक्यूल का जो भी एक्चुअल वॉल्यूम है, वो एक्चुअल मॉलिक्यूल क्या है? निग्लिजिबल एज कंपेयर टू द टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस. जो भी टोटल वॉल्यूम है गैस पार्टिकल्स का, उसके कंपैरिजन में एक्चुअल मॉलिक्यूल, एक्चुअल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल, इट इज वेरी निग्लिजिबल, मतलब नहीं के बराबर होता है. ओके, सो ऑलवेज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस मॉलिक्यूल, इट इज कंसिडर्ड इन अ बल्क और इट इज कंसिडर्ड इन अ टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस. नाउ थर्ड इज the gas molecules are always in a random motion. You know, always the gas molecules are continuously moving. It means that gas molecules are continuously in a random motion with a high distance, with a high speed. Now the next is, due to collision with the walls of container, they exert the pressure on the container. जब भी ये गैस मॉलिक्यूल किसी भी कंटेनर पे कोलाइड होता है, कोलाइड होना मतलब उस वॉल पे जाकर गिरना. ओके, सो जब भी वो गैस मॉलिक्यूल वो वॉल्स ऑफ कंटेनर पे कोलाइड होगा, एट दैट टाइम दे एक्सर्ट द प्रेशर ऑन द कंटेनर. उस कंटेनर पे क्या होगा? प्रेशर आएगा. सो व्हाइल मूविंग इन द कंटेनर, दे एक्सर्ट, दे कोलाइड ऑन द वॉल्स ऑफ द कंटेनर, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द कोलिजन on the walls of container, they exert the pressure on the container. Now next is no force of attraction between the molecule. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Here the gas molecules are moving randomly. It means that the molecules are very far away from each other. एक दूसरे से वो molecule बहुत दूर रहेंगे. So because of the distance, that is far distance in between the two molecules, there is no force of attraction arises in between the molecules. Then next is energy of the gas molecule is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. जो भी काइनेटिक एनर्जी है, एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी है गैस मॉलिक्यूल की, that gas molecule average kinetic energy of the gas molecule is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. Absolute temperature तो वो directly proportional होती है, that is average kinetic energy of the gas molecule. It means that the average kinetic energy of the gas molecule is same at a given temperature. जो भी given temperature है, उस given temperature में गैस मॉलिक्यूल की एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी क्या होगी? सेम होगी. सो हियर व्हाट हैपन, द गैस मॉलिक्यूल व्हिच ओबेज ऑल दीस असम्पशंस, हमने जो अभी देखे हैं काइनेटिक थ्योरी ऑफ गैसेस के इतने असम्पशंस देखे हैं. सो दैट असम्पशंस आर फॉलोड बाय पर्टिकुलर गैस मॉलिक्यूल. जो भी गैस मॉलिक्यूल ये सारे असम्पशंस, ये सारे पोस्टुलेट्स फॉलो करता है, that gas molecule is known as ideal gas. That is known as the ideal gas. So the gas molecule which possesses or follows all the assumptions or postulates of kinetic theory of gases, that is known as the ideal gas. Now the kinetic gas equation related to this ideal gas, that topic we will see later. So this is the introductory part of the gaseous state, which shows that the three important parameters are there which are involved in the gaseous state, that is pressure, volume and temperature. Then there is their kinetic theory of gases. So in that kinetic theory of gases, 6 postulates or assumptions are there. All these are related to pressure, volume and temperature, and the gas which follows all these assumptions, it is known as ideal gas and रियल गैस. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये सभी स्टडी मटेरियल मैं आपको गूगल क्लासरूम पर भेजूंगी. जब तक हमारे क्लासेस गूगल क्लासरूम पर चलेंगे, तो तब तक आई विल सेंड द स्टडी मटेरियल ऑफ दिस फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री और पर्टिकुलरली द यूनिट ऑफ गैसियस स्टेट. आई विल सेंड इन द गूगल क्लासरूम. आई विल सेंड PDF और आई विल सेंड द स्कैन कॉपी ऑफ दिस टॉपिक. सो इफ यू हैव any problem, you can contact me or you can message me. Okay dear students, so thank you, have a nice day, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.